Okay, I want to show you yet another way to transfer files between your host machine and your virtual disk, the second disk on our FreeDOS machine. So here we're going to use a Windows utility. We'll use notice that I've got my FreeDOS machine shut down. I hit the Windows key and then X, and then from the menu that appears, select disk management. Okay, and so this window appears. Notice initially when I hit the action menu, everything's grayed out here, but one of the menu items looks interesting. It's attach VHD. So we have to click here in this window, and then now those menu items are active. I want to attach VHD, and then I want to browse to that second virtual disk image, which for me was an MSys64 RTEMS, and right there it's VHD. And this is why it was important when we were creating the second disk to create a VHD type drive image, not the default VDI, because Windows only understands the VHD types. So select VHD and then open that. I can make it actually read-only, but I don't want to do that because I want to transfer files back and forth, and click OK. And you'll see now it's actually available as my RTEMS F drive. You'll see that it's a 50 megabyte drive, so I can actually open an Explorer window, go to my PC, see that it's here as my F drive, and now I can drag and drop files back and forth using Windows Explorer. And this is pretty convenient, but one of the things you have to be careful with is to make sure that you don't start up that you don't start up the virtual machine while I still have the drive attached under Windows. You can corrupt the drive if we have two operating systems actually accessing the file system at the same time. So before I can start the virtual machine, after I've copied files over, I want to actually, what I do here, detach, right click on this disk and select detach VHD, and detach it so it's no longer available under Windows, and then now I can use it under I can restart my virtual machine and have it available there. Again, yet another method. Again, I think you'll find that the mtools method is by far the most convenient method for copying files back and forth. At least it's the fastest of the methods I've talked about.